English-Tagalog sentences using still. Nandyan pa siya. He or she is still there. Nandyan pa rin ba siya? Is he or she still there? Buhay pa siya. He or she is still alive. Galit pa rin siya. He or she is still angry. Bata pa siya. He or she is still young. Masakit pa rin ang mga binti ko. My legs still hurt. Mahal ka pa rin niya. He or she still loves you. Gusto pa rin niyang sumama. He or she still wants to come. Nasa ibang bansa pa rin ba ang tito mo? Is your uncle still abroad? Natutulog pa rin siya. He or she is still sleeping. Buhay na buhay pa rin siya. He or she is still very much alive. Natutulog pa rin ang pusa. The cat is still sleeping. Naghihintay pa rin ako sa kanya. I'm still waiting for him or her. Nawawala pa rin ang gamit ko. My things are still missing. Hindi ko alam kung nasa akin pa rin iyon. I don't know if I still have it. Marami pa akong gagawing trabaho. I still have a lot of works to do. Nakadepende pa rin siya sa kanyang mga magulang. She still depends on her parents. Natatandaan mo pa rin ba nung una tayong nagkita? Can you still remember the first time we met? Gwapo siya, pero hindi ko pa rin siya gusto. He's handsome, but still, I don't like him. Marami pa ring natirang pagkain sa lamesa. There are still a lot of leftovers on the table. Bakit nandito ka pa rin? Why are you still here? Magpakasaya ka habang bata ka pa. Enjoy while you're still young. Galit pa rin ako sa kanya. I'm still mad at him or her. Hindi ko pa rin maintindihan kung bakit. Still, I don't understand why. Natatandaan ko pa rin ang una nating pagkikita. I can still remember the first time we met. Gabi na pero hindi pa rin tayo tapos. It's getting late but we're still not finished. Naniniwala pa rin ako sa kakayahan mo. I still believe in your ability. Aalis ka pa rin ba? Are you still living? Ako pa rin ang nauna. I am still the first.